Students, and welcome to standard 9th mathematics digital class. Today we will solve practice set 3.6 question number 2. So the question is, factorize the following polynomials. The polynomial is x squared minus x bracket squared minus 8 into x squared minus x plus 12. Okay, so here to find the factors we will substitute x squared minus x as some other variable. Okay, so let x squared minus x is equal to y. Okay, so let's substitute in the given polynomial. So y squared minus 8 into y plus 12. So now this has become a quadratic polynomial and we will find out its factors using middle term split up method. Okay, so we have to first find the product AC, that is the coefficient of y square will multiply with the constant term. So here the coefficient of y square is 1, so that is A is equal to 1, B equals to negative 8, which is coefficient of y, and the constant term C is equal to 12. So the product A and C is 1 multiplied by 12, that is 12. So what are the factors of 12? So first factor is 1 multiplied by 12. Other factors are 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. Now we have to see which factor will give us negative 8. Okay, so now 1 plus 12 will not give us 8. 2 plus 6, yes, 2 plus 6 will give us 8. Now as the middle term is negative, here both the factors will be negative. 12 equals to negative 2 multiplied by negative 6 is the correct factor. Okay, so let's find out the factors of y square minus 8y plus 12. So therefore y squared minus 8y plus 12. So we'll split the middle term, that is negative 8y. So y squared is equal to, now negative 8y we will write it as negative 2y, negative 6y. Negative 6y plus 12. Y squared minus 2y, what is common? Y is common. In bracket we'll have y minus 2. Now what is common here? Negative 6 is common. So in bracket we will have y minus 2 again. This is equal to. Now y minus 2 is common, so we'll take out y minus 2 common. And in the second bracket we'll have y minus 6. So the factors of y squared minus 8y plus 12 are y minus 2 and y minus 6. Now we have to resubstitute because the value of y is x squared minus x. So resubstituting, the value of y, so therefore now this is equal to y is x squared minus x, and then we have minus 2. Here we have y minus 6, so y is x squared minus x, then minus 6. Now these two are quadratic polynomials and we have to see whether we can further find the factors of these two polynomials. Now we can further factorize x square minus x minus 2. We can also factorize x square minus x minus 6. Now for the first quadratic polynomial, the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is negative 2. So 1 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2, And what are the factors of negative 2? 2 multiplied by 1, as it is negative, one factor has to be negative. Now what do we want? In the middle, we want negative 1. So the greater number will carry negative sign and the smaller number will carry positive sign. Okay, now let's factorize it. So therefore, x square as it is. Now here we will split negative 1x as negative 2x plus x minus 2 as it is. So first one is done. So now for the second polynomial, the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is negative 6. So 1 multiplied by negative 6 is negative 6. So what are the factors of negative 6? It can be 6 multiplied by 1, right? So 1 has to be negative, 1 has to be positive. And the other factor is 3 multiplied by 2. Now here we can take the second pair of factor because we want negative 1 in the middle, right? So here the greater number will carry negative sign and smaller number will carry positive sign. Okay, so let's factorize the second polynomial. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Okay, now this is equal to, what is common? Here in the first pair, x is common. So x will take out and inside bracket will have x minus 2, right? And what is common here? Plus 1 is common and in bracket we'll have x minus 2. Now for the second one, in this first pair here, x is common. Inside bracket we'll have x minus 3. Here 2 is common. So 2 in bracket x minus 3. Done. This is equal to, so x minus 2 is common here. We'll take out x minus 2 common and in the second bracket we will get x plus 1. X plus 1. So the first polynomial is factorized. Okay. Similarly, we'll find out for the second one. So here x minus 3 is common. So we'll write down x minus 3. Then in the second bracket we'll have x plus 2. So now the factors are x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 2. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay. Now let's solve question number 3. So the polynomial here is x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 into bracket x squared minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. Okay, so this is the polynomial given and we have to find its factors. Okay. So we'll write down x squared minus 6x bracket squared minus 8 into x squared minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. So we will substitute x squared minus 6x as y. So let x squared minus 6x is equal to y. Okay. Now we will substitute in the given polynomial. So x squared minus 6x is y. So y squared minus 8 in bracket we have x squared minus 6x. So we will substitute that as y. After that we have plus 8. So plus 8 will write minus 64. Okay. So this is equal to y squared minus 8 multiplied by y is minus 8y. Now minus 8 multiplied by plus 8 is minus 64. Then again we have minus 64. Okay. So this is equal to y squared minus 8y minus 60, both are negative, negative 64, negative 64. So it will be negative 128. Now here the coefficient of y square is 1 and the constant term is negative 128. So we have to find the factors of 1 multiplied by negative 128, which is negative 128. So what are the factors of 128? Now the factors of 128 are 16 multiplied by 8. Now here 16 multiplied by 8 is 128 and 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, but we want negative 8. So therefore the greater number should carry negative sign and the smaller number will carry positive sign. Okay, so now let's split the middle term. Y squared minus 16y plus 8y minus 128, which is equal to, now what is common in the first pair? Y is common, and in bracket we'll have y minus 16. Then what is common here? 8 is common, 8 ones are 8, then y minus 16. Now your y minus 16 is common, so let's take it out, and in the second bracket we'll get y plus 8. Okay, now y, what is the value of y? X squared minus 6x. So we'll put the value of y as x squared minus 6x. So putting y equals to x squared minus 6x. So this is equal to, y is x squared minus 6x, and again we have minus 16. Second bracket, y is x squared minus 6x and then plus 8. So these are the two factors. Now again these two are quadratic polynomials. We have to see whether we can factorize them further. Okay, so here the constant term is negative 16. So the factors of negative 16, can we get negative 6? Now here in this first polynomial, the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is negative 16. So we have to find the factors of negative 16. So what are the factors? 16, and we want what? Negative 6 we want. So the subtraction of the two factors should be 6. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16 and 8 minus 2 is 6. And here as the middle term is negative, the greater number will carry negative sign and smaller number will carry positive sign. Okay, so we'll factorize this. So x square as it is, then we'll split this negative 6x as negative 8x plus 2x minus 16. So first one is done. Now let's see, can we factorize this? So what are the factors here of 8? Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 8. So we have to find the factors of 8. So what are the factors of 8? 2 4 is 8. Now 2 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so yes, we can factorize the second polynomial. So here as we want positive 8 and the middle term is negative, both factors should carry negative sign, because negative 2 negative 4 is negative 6, right? And negative 2 multiplied by negative 4 is positive 8. So let's factorize it. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Okay, so we have splitted the middle term. What is common here? Here x is common. Inside bracket we'll have x minus 8, right? And here plus 2 is common. Inside bracket we'll have x minus 8. Now for the second quadratic polynomial. Now for the second polynomial, here what is common? X is common. So x, in bracket we'll have x minus 4. Here negative 2 is common. In bracket we will have x minus 4. Now here x minus 8 is common, so we'll take out x minus 8, and in the second bracket we'll have x plus 2. Okay, now for the second polynomial, x minus 4 is common, so x minus 4 we will write out, and inside bracket we'll get x minus 2. So we have got the factors of the given polynomial. So therefore x minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 2 are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay.